Are you tired of being stuck in a rut with your smartphone camera, unable to capture those perfect moments with ease and precision? But here's what surprised me about the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III. It's not just another smartphone camera, but a game changer that will make you wonder how you ever lived without it. Therefore, if you're looking for a camera that will elevate your photography skills to new heights and give you the flexibility to shoot like a pro, then stick around because I've got some insider info on why this baby is worth every penny. Act 1. Hook, 90 words. Now let's get straight to it. What makes the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III so special? With its 20.1 megapixel CMOS sensor and DIGIC 8 image processor, you'll be able to capture stunning images with incredible detail and color accuracy. But don't just take my word for it. This camera is a beast in low-light conditions, thanks to its ISO range of up to 25,600. Rehook, mini promise, 130 words. So what can you expect from the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III? For starters, it's got a host of advanced features that will make your life easier, like a tilting touchscreen LCD for easy framing and review, advanced autofocus with phase detection for lightning-fast focusing, and even 4K video recording at 30p. But wait, there's more. I've also got some insider tips on how to get the most out of this camera. Act 2. Deep Dive 1300 words. Now that we've piqued your interest, let's dive deeper into what makes the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III so special. With its advanced autofocus system and impressive ISO range, you'll be able to capture stunning images in even the most challenging conditions. But don't just take my word for it. Here are some real-world examples of what this camera can do. Low-light shooting ****. I took this shot in a dimly lit room, and the results were nothing short of amazing. High-speed autofocus. Watch as I quickly switch between subjects with ease, thanks to the advanced autofocus system. And let's not forget about the video capabilities. 4K recording at 30p is a game changer for vloggers and filmmakers. Rehook, twist, 130 words. But here's the thing, while this camera is an absolute beast in terms of image quality, it's also got some limitations. For example, the battery life could be better, especially if you're shooting extensively on a single charge. However, I've found that with a few simple tweaks, you can get even more out of your Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III. Act 3. Resolution 1300 words. So, is the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III worth the extra money? Absolutely. While it may not be perfect, its combination of advanced features and incredible image quality make it a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about photography. And if you're still on the fence, here's the thing, I've found some awesome deals on Amazon that'll get you this camera for a steal. Call to action 1, ***. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below to get your hands on the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III at the best price possible. But wait, there's more. As a special treat, I've got some exclusive tips and tricks to help you get even more out of this camera. Call to action 2, ***. And as a final reminder, don't forget to check out the link in the description below for the best deals on Amazon. So, are you ready to take your photography skills to new heights? Let's do this!